Solve 5 minus 2x is equal to 7x minus 12, showing clear algebraic working. Expand and simplify fully 2x minus 3 times 3x plus 8. So this question is just testing whether we can solve an equation with x unknown on both sides and then expand to two brackets. When you're solving equations like this, with x on both sides, look on to see which has the lower value of x. We have minus 2x and 7x, so minus 2x is lower than 7x. So we do the opposite thing and we add 2x to both sides. If we add 2x to this side, we're just going to get 5. If we have 2x to 7x, we're going to get 9x minus 12. And then we look at the number here. The opposite of subtracting 12 is to add 12 to both sides. So 5 plus 12 will give me 17. 9x minus 12 plus 12 will just give me 9x. So then we need to divide by 9 on both sides. That's just going to give that x is going to be equal to 17 over 9. There isn't much more we can do with that. It's okay to have x on this side as well. Notice I'm keeping all my equal signs in a straight column, and I've written down on both sides what I've done. B, expanding the bracket, so we need to do 2x times 3x plus 8, and then minus 3 times 3x plus 8. So, expanding the brackets, we're going to get 2x times 3x, which is 6x squared, 2x times 8, which is going to be 16x, minus 3 times 3x is going to be minus 9x, minus 3 times 8, which is going to give me minus 24. So it gives me 6x squared, and now we have to collect up like terms. So 16x minus 9x gives me 7x, and then minus 24. So the final answer is 6x squared plus 7x minus 24. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation with x unknown on both sides and to expand two brackets to get a quadratic expression. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.